Welcome to our guide on creating a pollinator-friendly garden. A refuge not just for the industrious bees that ensure the continuation of so many plant species, but for the vibrant butterflies that dance from flower to flower, and the melodious birds that bring the garden to life with their songs. Today, we'll show you how to attract these vital creatures to your garden, transforming it into a haven of life and color.
The cornerstone of any successful pollinator garden lies in the selection of its flora. Opting for native plants provides our pollinators with the nourishment they've evolved to depend upon. It's a harmonious relationship, honed over millennia. Consider, for instance, the vibrant coneflower or echinacea. Its prominent central cone, a beacon of pollen, attracts a multitude of bees, while its nectar-rich blossoms prove irresistible to butterflies. Another favorite amongst our winged companions is the bee balm or monarda. Its vibrant red, pink or purple blooms, with their tubular shape, are perfectly adapted for the long tongues of hummingbirds who, in their quest for nectar, also facilitate pollination. And then there's the humble sunflower, a giant amongst its peers. Its cheerful face, a composite of numerous smaller flowers, provides a veritable feast for bees who diligently gather its pollen and nectar. Don't overlook the importance of flowering shrubs like the butterfly bush Buddleia davidi. As its name suggests, it acts as a magnet for butterflies, its long panicles of fragrant flowers offering a rich source of nectar. For smaller gardens, consider incorporating creeping phlox, Phlox subulata, which forms a vibrant carpet of color and attracts a variety of pollinators with its sweet-smelling blooms. Remember, a diverse selection of native plants ensures a continuous bloom throughout the seasons, providing a reliable source of sustenance for your garden's new inhabitants. By choosing native plants, you're not just creating a beautiful garden, you're participating in a vital act of conservation, supporting the delicate balance of your local ecosystem.
While honeybees with their complex social structures often capture our attention, it's important to remember the vital role played by solitary bees. These industrious insects, which include mason bees, leafcutter bees, and carpenter bees, don't live in hives but instead seek out individual nesting cavities. This is where bee hotels come into play. These simple structures, often crafted from natural materials like wood and bamboo, provide safe havens for solitary bees to lay their eggs and raise their young. Building or buying a bee hotel is a simple yet rewarding way to support these often overlooked pollinators. A bee hotel can be as simple or elaborate as you like, but the basic principle remains the same. Provide a series of narrow tunnels, of varying diameters, for the bees to nest in. When placing your bee hotel, choose a sunny location, preferably facing south or southeast, to catch the morning sun. Ensure it's sheltered from strong winds and rain, and position it near a source of mud, which some bees use to construct their nests. The presence of a bee hotel in your garden is not just beneficial for the bees, it also provides a fascinating opportunity to observe these incredible creatures up close as they go about their daily routines. Remember, every little effort counts when it comes to supporting pollinators. By providing a home for solitary bees, you're contributing to the health and biodiversity of your local environment.
Chapter 3. Quenching the thirst of busy pollinators' water sources. Just as we rely on a constant supply of water, so too do our pollinators. A simple bird bath can become a bustling hub of activity, offering not just a refreshing drink but also a place for birds to cool off and preen their feathers. But it's not just birds that benefit from a water source in the garden. Bees too require water, not only for drinking, but also for cooling their hives and diluting honey. A shallow dish filled with pebbles or marbles to provide landing spots serves as an ideal bee watering hole. Butterflies with their delicate proboscis prefer to sip water from damp mud or sand. A small patch of moist soil, perhaps near your bird bath, will be a welcome sight for these winged beauties. Maintaining these water sources is just as important as providing them. Refresh the water in your bird bath regularly to prevent the buildup of algae and bacteria. Likewise, ensure the bee watering hole is kept clean and topped up, especially during hot weather. By providing a variety of water sources in your garden, you're catering to the diverse needs of your pollinators, ensuring they have access to this essential resource year-round. Remember, even small acts of kindness can have a significant impact on the natural world around us.
Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you create a beautiful and thriving pollinator-friendly garden. Remember, every bloom counts, every buzzing bee, every fluttering butterfly. They all play a crucial role in the intricate web of life. By providing them with a haven in your garden, you're not just creating a beautiful space, you're contributing to the health of our planet. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more gardening tips.